can upload this on my YouTube video.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, thank you, Mohsin sir. It was a very great session. Today I was learning something new, and thank you for your time and thank you for your valuable feedbacks. And once again, thank you. It was a great session, and I recommend it to all newcomers who want to learn in new thing in digital marketing and want to grow your future in digital marketing, Google Ads, in PPC. Definitely, I will suggest you to join Mohsin sir's classes and Mohsin sir's courses. You will definitely grow in your future, and everybody in this room, all the best for your future, and definitely everybody will get any jobs and any other businesses and something new. Yeah, all the best. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much for this, for your kind words. Okay. Yeah. And I want everyone, so I see that there are 13, 14 members out here. I'm opening the group chat, WhatsApp ka group chat I'm opening. Please provide your valuable feedback about this training day 1. So the members who did not join in today, after looking at your honest feedback, maybe they can join tomorrow. Okay. Everyone, I am requesting that whatever you feel, if you feel bad, write bad. If you feel good about this training, write good. Okay. Yes, anyone?
Mohsin sir, Asad this side.
Yes, Asad.
Yes, very well explained from your end. Gratitude to you for giving such a nice lecture on VM. Just wanted to know how we will be getting this Excel in which all the assignments will be.
This you will get in WhatsApp. I'm sharing this in our WhatsApp group. Okay, this is a Google Doc. Click on this in WhatsApp group. The entire document will be open for you. Like
perfect.
Yeah? And then watch the video how to do the assignment and do the assignment.
So kind of this.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, welcome. Any more questions, guys? I have more 4 minutes. Okay. If you have questions, shoot out at me.
I actually worked as an intern earlier as well.
Okay. Which agency?
It's Code Monk.
Okay. Did you work for Google Ads or something else?
Mainly it was into like FB and Google Ads, like we were trying out that. So my intern is over now. So that's why I'm looking for a job mainly in Google Ads and FB.
So you already know Facebook. So what do you know about Facebook? So what type of targeting you do and what type of ad have you created in Facebook?
Facebook mainly, like we went in with the real estate ads regarding like what all the sites or the properties we were getting from the clients. Mainly we were handling those things.
Okay. All right. So have you done any course?
Yes, I've done the course. Yeah.
From which agency?
It's in Bangalore.
Okay.
I don't remember, like Excellent Coaching Center, something like that. It will come.
Okay. So how do you rank me with them?
Oh, you're totally different, sir. You are way better than them. Like I didn't much learn. Like I took the course from the online only during the pandemic. So I didn't had any options or much ideas about these Google Ads and all. And I was not well thought about these Google Ads. Only Facebook and other things were thought. But Google Ads, when it's you, like it's totally different. The way you explain in detail everything, that was very helpful for me actually.
Oh, thank you so much. And I want this feedback, okay, on the WhatsApp group also.
Yeah, sure, definitely.
Okay, so definitely, I see my expertise are ads. Okay, let me tell you that. Even though I call myself as Google Ads expert, and that is my expertise, but you came through Facebook ads only, correct? Yeah. So you can understand that my expertise are also in Facebook ads.
Yeah.
So my for everyone I tell, if you learn ads, okay, Google Ads or YouTube ads, Facebook and Instagram, these 4 platforms, okay, only 2 platforms. Google Ads, again, if you learn Google Ads, you will learn YouTube. If you learn Facebook ads, you learn Instagram. Okay.
Yeah.
If you master these 2 platforms, okay, these are the 2 platforms which are there in the entire world.
Sure, definitely, sir. Yeah.
So tomorrow we will meet, okay, and tomorrow I will tell some concept about display campaign and YouTube campaigns, which are again very powerful. So meet you tomorrow. But before that, please provide your feedback in WhatsApp group. Number 2, you have to complete your assignment. All right. So thank you very much. Have a wonderful day ahead. I'll meet you tomorrow at 11. Thank you.